This interesting property is located in the region of Tuscany, very close to the border with Marche and the independent country of San Marino. It's only 3.5 kilometers from the scenic village of Sestino, but in an idyllic countryside setting with a 1,100 square metre garden overlooking the hills and valley. This stone farmhouse offers 300 square metres of living space, which includes 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, several cellars, a single car garage, a stone paved courtyard, and a panoramic view terrace. There are also many desirable original period features, such as exposed wood beam ceilings, terracotta tile flooring, and a fireplace. At some point in the house's history, it was divided into 2 separate residences, with 2 entrances, 2 kitchens, and 2 living rooms, but could easily be combined to create one large house by reopening the original alcoves. There's a good floor plan at the end of this video which makes this a bit clearer. It looks to be in good, habitable condition, with some rooms, particularly on the ground floor, needing some attention. The realtor has disclosed that it doesn't have a heating system, and it appears from some of the aerial photos that the condition of the roof will need to be checked. But with an asking price of just €135,000, hopefully a new buyer will be able to budget for these things to be taken care of. This home is very centrally located, and the nearest airports are in Ancona, Perugia, Florence, and Rimini. If you'd like more information or have any questions, please contact the realtor directly. Their original listing is in the video notes below. And if you're looking for a home in Italy but are on a tight budget, we compile 2 collections of homes for sale every week. One under €150,000 and another specifically of homes under €45,000, and you're welcome to join in. There's also more information about that in the video notes below. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.